Hello everybody, let's get the grill ready for 2026. Start out by cleaning the cover and then we'll go from there. I'm going to use some super clean on the grill cover this year, so I will time lapse that. And now to let that air dry, and I'll spray it with the 303 protectant. Let's go with the 303 protectant. Don't know that that's showing up at all. There, a little bit, that's what it is. Unfortunately, that cover has deteriorated some, but this helps it prolong just a little bit. So let that soak in and come back and wipe it off. Now time to give the actual grill a bath. Well, I had to stop down a minute. We got a little problem here. It's not going to work. Had to go get a universal burner. So I'll pop that in there and we'll go from there. You know it's going to be good. Don't know if that'll show, maybe. You know it's going to be quality. Alright, got it pretty well back together. About as good as it's going to get. Give it a light. Of course, I plan to replace the battery in the igniter, so we can go ahead and do that. Good old Amazon Basics did not leak. Alrighty. Fresh Amazon Basics. Alright, here we go. Looks like that's going to shoot just fine and dandy. think we're good to go. So once again, grill is ready to go, up and running for 2026. Had to stop down just a minute and go buy a burner for it, but we're back up and running 100%. Everything's chooching perfect. So thank you for watching.